Welcome back there, gentlemen. It's Saturday the, have a look here, Saturday 28th of May, 1:30. As you can see, everything is looking really well. The hedge is looking really nice. If you come down here, as you can see that on there, just been doing a bit of weeding, which it needed. Here's my fuchsia, just getting ready to pop open soon. The baskets are all looking nice. Shut the gate, folks. Here's my geranium, perennial. There's some hollyhocks. And then we have my tree lilies, which probably 7 or 8 flower buds on those. Look great. There's my horrible lily beetle that I've got to spray for. I'll buy some spray next week. Hostas, which the slugs and snails absolutely love. These are my phlox, white variety. And then we have here some beautiful lupines entwined with some gorgeous tree lilies. And at the bottom here some day lilies. Just want to spin round. Some more hollyhocks there. Next some aquileges. The aquileges are just starting to go over now, so the corner there, I just dug them out because I get that many. I don't mind losing a few, and I've planted some verbascum. Here's one of the verbascum I planted. There, they should be flowering hopefully later on this year, in a few weeks. Some more phlox. Some more Columbine Aquileges. See, these are the flower buds. What I tend to do is when the flowers have gone, cut them down at the base, and that way they don't spread all over the place. Come around here, so quick. My lupine is absolutely amazing. What I'll do with this is when these flower spikes have nearly died back to the top, just cut them back there, and then you get the extra flower spikes, which is great. Here we have my white carnation, pink. There's some beautiful foxglove. My Papabia somniferum poppy. This foxglove is absolutely gorgeous. The bees absolutely go mad for it. And we have beautiful lupin here. From round here, to stand up for this, these are about 4 foot high now. My peonies, they need staking. Come round, some more foxgloves that need spraying for rust. And then some aquileges. Beautiful lily there with a few flower heads on. This is one of my delphiniums, which I absolutely love. The flowers on these are amazing. Absolutely gorgeous. Electric blue. Around here. Hollyhock, which I'm going to cut right down so I can get to the peony at the back there. This clematis, the first year it's been planted next to this tree, and it's grown really well, so I'm pleased with that. Right, this is my little wild section that I'm going to give it a good weed next couple of days so I can plant some, what we're going to plant, cosmos, and I've got some other flowers I'm going to plant near, some lilies. But look at this here, absolutely gorgeous. Oriental poppy. This needs staking because look at that, it just goes in the middle, so get some stakes in there. And I've probably got 30 or 40 flower buds on that. Yeah, when this is all weeded, I'll have plenty of space because I've got a lot of plants to put in, which I'll show you when we get round to the front. So yeah, the bleeding heart's just about finished. Oh, my Icelandic poppy there. There's my next peony, which is really getting ready to open up. Then we have my forget-me-nots that need taking out because they're just about done as well. And then I'm so proud of this. Look at the size of those flowers. And this is a delphinium I've grown from seed last year. It stayed in a pot last year. This is the first year it's been in the ground. And look at that. I'm so happy with that. That's definitely a keeper, that one. And then we have lupines. And some white phlox. Next to that, some bearded irises, which are looking really well. Next, some lupines. Just look back here, some more lupines here. which I like because these have got this white texture, so it's making them a little bit different. And as they age, turn really, really dark purple, which I love. Here we have Lucifer, Crocosmia, next to two beautiful tall bearded irises. As we come round here, we have this bit of weed. I've taken out some Aquileges and planted these, which are going to be great. Yeah, planted these for basking. As you can see, just starting to get a flower spike on there and there. Here's a penstemon from last year. This is beautiful red, which is great. And then we have my baskets and pots, which I think are all looking really, really well now. I love this section of the garden. These pots are really, really nice. The first one, these have got begonias in from last year. These are all red begonias. Flowers on them are epic. Yeah, as you can see here, the fox-loving next one with some agapanthus. And then just here, we have these absolutely amazing. These are violas. Absolutely beautiful. So, yeah, just have a quick whiz around here. Up at the baskets. These have been sprayed probably about 4 or 5 days ago. Powdery mildew. You see it there. That's what to look for. That's what you don't want. So they've been sprayed, so I'm on top of that. At the top there, have our pelargoniums. And then as we come round here, petunias. That's all that basket's got in petunias. Then we go down here. These are all ready to go in. That's why I need to clear that border at the end there. I've got cosmos, sweet peas, petunias, verbascum, snow maiden, agapanthus, dahlias, and we shall just come down here. This is one. This has got caffeole in the middle from last year. Marigolds all the way around the outside, and then some petunias going through. I absolutely love this. This is absolutely amazing. A stunning hosta. It's just going to get some flower spikes. There we go. So yeah, that is nice. Next to agapanthus. Then my slow release fertilizer there. And the pot, the big one, for my sweet peas. This has got a caffeole in the middle, dahlia, with marigolds all the way around the outside. Petunias hanging down the side. And come across, this is a carnation grown from seed last year. It's the second year. Look at the size of that. That's going to flower really, really well. Agapanthus, and then my vertical planter. These are plants from last year, the top ones. Top 3 buckets, top 3 pots, have all got petunias from last year. So petunias are perennial as long as you take them in before the first frost. Water them, feed them, cut them back, and you end up with plants like this. This is absolutely amazing. Stunning colours. This one's been grown from seed. This is Midnight something, which is absolutely amazing. And the rest will be starting to flower soon. We come round here, a gentle walk around, just have a look from here at the garden. Hope you can hear the birds singing, chattering away. This delphinium is one of my favourites. It's got this electric blue to it. I've got a video of it last year and a photograph. So yeah, I can't wait till that one flowers. Here we have my Papaver somniferum, opium poppy going there. Just great to keep the seed for cooking, baking. Here's my delphinium from the other side. I'm just so pleased with. Absolutely humongous flowers on there. And we come down here, my clematis. Forget the name of it, the variety, but it's absolutely spot on. Be there, just buzzing about, enjoying the garden like me. And then we have my agapanthus here, grown from seed last year. These got, I think I fed them yesterday. My little bench here. My silver birch tree, which is going really, really well. These foxgloves, the bees absolutely love them. Here's my sweet peas getting its first flowers, which is great. The good thing about sweet peas, the more you cut them flowers for like in your pots taking inside for the scent, the more they actually flower. So here we have some more agapanthus, they're blue ones. Beautiful delphinium there, dark blue. And this is all going to get weeded over this weekend, so I can plant some new plants in there. So yeah, that's a quick tour of my front garden. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Thank you all for your support, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you very much. Bye.